Look, no more survival mode. We've been in survival mode for way too long. Way too long. It's 2025. We are thriving. Do you hear me? We are thriving in 2025. And you know how we're going to do that? Those ideas that come to our head that we think, I don't really think it's going to take off. I don't really think it's going to do well. We're actually implementing those ideas that come to our head. Let me tell you something. So back in June, it was either June or July of last year, 2024, I got these pants out TikTok shop. I got the pants because I thought it was cute. But me, if you have followed any of my videos, to know me is to know I am not good at selling. And to think that I actually sell t-shirts, like, I am not good at selling. So that's why I sell on platforms that sell themselves. Because if I got to sell it, it ain't going to sell. Well, one night I was on live just doing me. Because one thing that was selling well for me was my typewriter keyboard. My pink typewriter keyboard. I call it typewriter keyboard, but it's really a gaming keyboard. But I use it for work. But anyway, I was on live just doing my homework, just vibing on live, right? And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to talk about these pants. So I'm on live and talking about the pants. So, of course, I started getting sales on my live talking about the pants. But I always get sales. Not always, but the majority of the sales that I was getting out TikTok shop was when I went live. Like, when I go live, I get sales. But me just making videos like how I'm making this video, me getting sales, child, I'm lucky if I get one sale. Well, so what I did was, whenever you go live on TikTok, you can go into your back, whatever. You can go and look, like, relook at your live. And, like, TikTok will chop up your live for you. But if it's not the way you want it chopped up, like, you can chop it up and make it into videos and post it on your feed. So what I did was that video that I went live in, I was like, I really like these pants. I'm gonna use my live video, I'm gonna chop it up, and I'm gonna make a couple videos from the live talking about these pants because I really like the pants. Do you know I posted these pants from my live and the video went viral. To this day, that video has been my top selling video to this day. And that month was my first month making like money on TikTok, period. And I made $1,500 that month. That was my first month making $1,500 on TikTok. I said all this to say, like, you cannot sleep on yourself. Sometimes we be in here wondering, like, why are we struggling? Why this and why that? It's because we in our comfort zone. We worrying about what other people go think. When we need to just be posting. When the Holy Spirit tell you to do something, do what the Holy Spirit tell you to do, because he ain't telling you that for nothing. Like, if the Holy Spirit is giving you ideas, you got all these ideas, I should do this, I should do that. It doesn't matter if nobody else is doing it. That's why it's unique to you. Post the content. Make whatever it is, even if it's not craft related, even if it's not content related, whatever it is that the Holy Spirit is telling you to do, whatever God has laid on your heart for you to do it. He's telling you to do it for a reason. Do not struggle in 2025. We are thriving. You got the skills. It's in you. It's in you. Believe me, it's in you. Use what you have. Don't be like, oh, well, I don't have this and I don't have that. Use what you have. And once you start using what you have, more will come. We're thriving in 2025. We're not surviving. We're thriving in 2025. We're not making excuses. We're thriving in 2025. Okay? Okay. Y'all have an amazing day. And remember that you are amazing.